Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Geologica. Here we are talking about the oceanography and climatology MCQs, and we will see from question number 29 to 33, and these are for especially CSIR UGC NET Earth Sciences. You can also join our Telegram channel naming Geologica, or you can also contact me through the Instagram. The link is given in the description box. So let's begin with our first question. Here it is. Which current is present in an open ocean? Now, whenever we talk about the oceanic current, this is simply the movement of water, oceanic water. But what happens when there is a high tide, meaning the increasement of water level, this water will flow on the continent and it will erode them. So, this flow of water towards the continent is known as your flood current, and it causes the flooding of continental areas. But just opposite of this, when the water which is now flowing on the continent, it returns back, or during the low tide time, the water mass which is coming back towards the sea, that is known as your ebb current. So flood current is towards the continent and ebb current is towards the ocean. Now there is another current which can be found within the ocean, or the center of the ocean, or large mass of ocean where there is no coastal areas, no boundaries. So there we will found a rotatory motion of oceanic water, that is known as your rotary current, and this rotary current is present in the open ocean, means without boundary, without any coastal areas. So here third option will be our right answer. The next question is, warm water flows from fill in the blanks to here. So whenever we talk about the warm ocean currents, let me show you a generalized picture of Earth. So this is our Earth. Let us consider this is our Earth. This is the equator, and you know that most of the sun rays are vertical in the tropical areas between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So this area is heated more than that of these areas. So definitely the water which is moving from the tropical areas, it will be warmer, and the water which is flowing from the polar areas or from the high latitudinal areas, it will be colder because of not heating. So that's why the water mass which is moving from the lower latitude towards the higher latitudes will be your warm currents, as they are carrying the warm water. So here second option, that warm current flows from lower latitude to the higher latitudinal areas. These are known as your warm currents, and hence second option will be our right answer. The next question is, what is the flow direction of counter equatorial current? So again, this is our Earth, this is the equator, and if you have read about the global winds or the planetary winds, you know that there are trade winds which are moving from the northeastern direction towards the southwestern direction, something like this in the northern hemisphere, and southern hemisphere they are something like this. So under the influence of these winds, what will happen? Whatever the water present in the equatorial areas, it will also move along with this, something like this. So this water is known as your equatorial current. The south equatorial current moving from the south of equator, and north equatorial current which is moving to north of the equator. And both of these equatorial current have the direction from east to west. Now because of this movement, the huge piling up of the oceanic water happens in the western areas, as we are moving the whole water towards the west. Then what will happen? You will have a high pressure gradient, like this is your eastern areas and this is your western areas. Then water is moving towards here, so here there will be a mound type shape and extra excess water mass. So this water mass will flow in the returning direction, and this returning direction is known as your counter equatorial current. It is countering the equatorial current, and Same, the direction will be just opposite from west towards the east. So hence here fourth option will be our right answer. That flow direction of counter equatorial current is from west to east. Okay, fourth option our right answer. Then next question is question number 32. Which of the following is a cold current? Whether it is Gulf Stream, North Equatorial Current, Canary Current or Florida Current. So now all of these four are belongs to the Atlantic Ocean. Hence correct option is your third, Canary Current. Now we will see how. So okay, this is your Earth, and you know 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Pacific Ocean covers from here up to here. Then here you have the Atlantic Ocean, this one. Then you have Indian Ocean, you have the Southern Ocean, and you have the Arctic Ocean here. So definitely I have given these names according to the decreasing of size of ocean. So Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Now if we look close to the Atlantic Ocean, what we will see is these are your currents. So as I have already told, with the influence of trade winds, the current moves something like this: North Equatorial Current. Then as it reaches here, it currents break into the two parts. One is the Florida current, which is going into this bay, and other one is known as your Gulf Stream, which flows something like this. Then you have the North Atlantic Drift, and finally you have the Canary Current. Here the red color lines are showing you the warm nature of current, means they are carrying the warm water, and the blue lines, such as in the Canary Current, these are showing that cold currents, they are carrying the cold water. So now you can see this current is running from the higher to the lower latitudes, so it is cold current, and these currents are moving from the lower to higher latitude, so they are carrying the warm water. Now here you can see Canary Current is your cold current, so our right option will be Canary Current, which I have already told. Now there is another chance, or another question can arise, which I have already asked in our previous videos. The three letters here, you have the C stand for current, North Equatorial Current. Here you have the term stream, and here you have the term drift. Now you have to write in the comment box which one is having the maximum velocity, whether it is drift or whether it is current or whether it is stream, which one have the highest velocity. Okay, now let us move to our question. This was the question, so here Canary Current will be our right answer. It is a cold current. Then next question is, which of the following is a warm current? Now another chance, you have here also four options: Falkland Current, West Wind Drift, Venezuela Current and the South Equatorial Current. So now again let us see the area of these currents. These currents lie in the South Atlantic Ocean. So here you can see this is the South Atlantic Ocean. Okay, and these are the currents. Same, red lines will show you the warm currents moving the warm water, and blue lines will show the cold currents. So here you have the equatorial current under the influence of trade winds, it is warm current. Then it comes here like and becomes the Brazil current. These two are the warm currents. Then there is another current which is coming something like this. This is known as your Falkland current, as it is coming from an Iceland naming the Falkland. So this is a cold current, Falkland current. Then you have the west wind drift in this direction. This is the west wind drift direction. So this is also a cold current. It is moving around the Atlantic Ocean. Then you have the Venezuela current moving west of Africa. So this is also a cold current moving from the higher to the lower latitudinal areas. So hence here Falkland west wind drift and Venezuela current are cold currents, while Brazil and South Equatorial are the warm currents. Hence, here they have asked our question, which of the following is a warm current? So, South Equatorial current is a warm current. Okay, fourth option will be our right answer. So, it's all about for today. Thank you so much. Please like if you like our video, and share with your friends, and subscribe our channel for the regular updation of such videos. Thank you.